Hey guys, today I'm going to be bike checking my Marin Rift Zone. Let's get started. Okay, so it has an X-Fusion Pro back shock and an X-Fusion Pro front shock. It has Flow Snap tires. It's a 24-inch by 2.4. It has RE lock-on grips. They're pretty worn. I've been using them for about 3 months now. I carry a pump at all times. I have a slide-in water bottle holder. I have Shimano brakes, Shimano disc brakes. I have an 11-speed micro shifter, 11-speed drivetrain. I have a Shimano derailleur, which I'm gonna renew that. I have a new one. Let's talk more about the drivetrain. So on the drivetrain, I have an 11-speed chain, 11-speed gasket thing. Actually, I forgot what it's called. Shimano derailleur, which I just said derailleur, but it's meant for 11-speed. I actually forgot what these cranks are called. Forgotten. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I just remember, they're forgotten cranks. Can you see? Overall, this is a really good bike. I like it a lot. I keep it right here, laying on my golf cart. There's the Charles bike and the BMX. Y'all remember some videos. It's blue and black, the sickest colors. Marin seat. They're Marin bars. Marin stem. Lots of Marin stuff on it. The stuff that isn't stocked, everything is stocked except the pedals, which I said were race face, the RE grips, the slide-in water bottle holder, and the pump. Oh, and I have a lizard skin chain guard. That's not stocked either. That's everything that's stocked and not stocked. Hope you like this video. I'm going on a trip, and you'll see the videos really soon from my trip. Peace.